Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to order a taxi on Bolt in just a few simple steps. So first off, you want to make sure that you have the app downloaded or installed. Then go ahead and launch it once you do. From here, you want to go ahead and be on the home page and then set your destination by choosing change pickup. From here, you want to choose the pickup location and then your drop off location. From here, you see the option taxi as a ride type. Then before you select taxi, you can also change the payment method here. We have cash, debit, or credit card. But once you're done, just go ahead and go back. And then finally select taxi. Request a ride and your driver will arrive in minutes. That's it. Now you know how to order a taxi on Bolt in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.